Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get SFTP set up between your computer and a cloud host. So first what you're going to want to do is make sure you have VS Code. That's what I'll be using today. If you don't have VS Code, then you can come to this link. I'll have it down in the description where you can download it based off of whichever OS you're running. They have Mac OS, Windows 32-bit, and 64-bit, and Linux. And then we're going to go back, once you have this installed, we're going to go back to VS Code. Now, once you have VS Code set up, the first thing you're going to want to do, besides setting up your language preferences and everything, you're going to want to install the SFTP extension. So I'll search for that, and it should be the first one that comes up. It's built by Liximomo, and then here you'll have an install button. That's all you have to do. There's no setup required after installing it. So then, once you have that done, you can come to your folder where you're making your project, and I'll create a quick file that says print hello world, and now what you're going to want to do is set up SFTP here. So to do that, you're going to want to do Control-Shift-P, and then type in SFTP, and here you'll see config. Might take a second to come up, and then here you'll have your SFTP settings. You're going to want to leave your protocol as SFTP. Your host is wherever you're uploading it to. For example, if you're going to a school, a university that has their own GL system, or whatever system that they use for uploading, having your files hosted for your programs, that'll be your host. The port should be able to remain 22. Your username is whatever your login username is for your school or hosting service. You will have to put in password here. And another option that I really like is upload on save. So whenever you save your file here, it will automatically upload to your host. Another important thing is the remote path. This is where exactly you want it to upload to, which I'll show you an example. For example, let's say I want to upload to my school's hosting service. Then first I will SSH into their system, and here I will SFTP change directory into this directory that I made. And to get my directory, I'll type in pwd, which stands for present working directory, and then here is where I'll paste the remote path. So I'll set this up, and then we will go back to my hello world. So once you have your SFTP file set up, you'll want it to see your file automatically upload to your hosting service, right? So right now you don't see it, and it's because I just need to save it with any changes that I've made. And here, now you'll see it there. Now adding anything in here will automatically upload up to your hosting service. So if I make another file here, I'll call it world. I'll say hello there, and then I just do ls. Look, now you can have both of your files there. And this terminal right now, it's not my local host. This is my hosting service. So if I exit, there you can see now I'm in my local host, and I can run them from here too. So yeah, that about covers it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.